So in Fresno, California, we're working on a blockage problem here at the kitchen sink. So the dishwasher is coming out here at the air gap, and so typically what you've got is a blocked hose, the 7/8 hose, or a blocked air gap. You can clean that out, but they're $7, so we just put new ones in. And of course the hose could be filled with debris, so we just replace it. Anyways, that's what we told we'd do last time, so we did. Brand new air gap, brand new 7/8 hose, new clamps, and of course when we take it apart, we spun the waste kit and looked down this tube right here to make sure that that was clear. It is, so it's draining correctly. It's just not entering from the dishwasher correctly up here. So we run something down there too to make sure that you don't have a blockage in there. The little cap that's in the little plastic cap that comes pre-installed was not knocked out. So I don't know how long the disposal's been installed, but it would never drain ever, no matter what you did, because there was a plastic cap right in here at the end. So anyways, we knocked the cap out, tested it, tested the garbage disposal, ran some water down, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done. So it's here in Fresno, California. We just finished replacing a fill valve on a toilet here in the hall bath. Didn't touch the shutoff valve, and it's not dripping. We always check that packing nut to make sure that it's not leaking, so your valve is in good shape. We did give you a brand new supply line right there. It's a 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch fluid master. Inside the tank, go ahead and open that up please. Inside the tank, we just replaced your fill valve. So this is the fluid master 400A, and a couple things that can happen with this. One is you know, it's when it begins to fill, there's some debris in the gasket that sits in there. There's a rubber gasket in there, and it starts screaming, making noises. That's one. Two, this float is supposed to push this lever up and shut the water flow off. So sometimes it'll go over the top, but water's still bleeding through. So a combination of those two causes leaking. The only other problem you could have in here is the flapper is deformed, defective, and water is escaping into the bowl, which causes this to activate again. But the complaint was that there was noise and it sounded like it was running. So just the fill valve. We did have a flapper, but it's identical to that one, but it was sticking in place. So it's just the old flapper still in place. Brand new fill valve, brand new supply line, and so we got it adjusted correctly, water level. It's filling correctly, shutting off correctly, flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.